All right, good morning, students. Good morning, teacher Nock. So welcome again to math class. So today we are going to have a new lessons. All right. Are you ready? I want you to get your pencils and paper. I want you to get your pencils and paper. We are going to have our new lesson for today. All right. So get your pencils and get your papers now.
ดินสอแล้วก็
I want you to get your paper, pencils, and then we are going to have lessons for today. Ready? And then open your camera, students, so we can start doing math now. All right? Ready?
กระดาษมาด้ว
Paper
ย
and pencils. Where's your paper and pencils? Get your paper and pencils now.
Okay.
Boom.
รู้สึกว่าที่นี่จะไม่มีดินสอ
Paper and pencils. Ready? All right. So today we are going to talk about decimals. All right. We are going to talk about decimals now. Is it visible? Can you see it?
เห็นไหมคะ
เห็นครับ
Can you see it now? All right. So we are going to talk about decimals before. However, we are going to talk about addition and subtractions. Okay. Additions and subtractions of decimals. Clear? I hope your paper and pencils are with you. So we are going to have, or we are going to start now. All right. Teacher, is it visible? All right. Is it okay? Good to hear. All right. So when we are talking about decimals here, when we are adding first, we start with adding first. All right. We need to remember about decimals align. All right. We are just going to align decimal to decimals. We are going to think about it. All right. So for example, we have here 42 and 35 hundreds. All right. 42 and 35 hundreds. Adding to, or we are going to add it here by 3 and 745 thousands. All right, 42 and 35, and then we have here 3 and 745. We all know here that there are more numbers here, or they are having the same numbers of digit here, but the bigger number here is 42 rather than the 3 and 35 hundreds. All right. So we are going to change this one. So this is 42.35 plus. So where's the decimals here? This is between 3 and 7. So you are going to put here 3 and then put the decimal align from this one. All right. They are equal or they are same. Okay. So point here, and then you're just going to write 745, right? Then you can add it now, all right? So this is an unknown number, right? Because this is only 35. So this one, there is no number here. You can put 0 here if addition or subtraction, and then add 0 plus 5 is 5. Then 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. You're going to put the ones on top of the next digit, right? So we have here 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6, and then just bring down 4, all right? So where are you going to put the decimals now? You're going to put the decimals here, aligned from the decimals itself. Okay? Okay? So your answer here is 46 and 95 thousands. All right? This is the tens, the hundreds, and the thousandth place. All right? So we are just going to have a number that 46 and 95 thousands. Clear? Did you understand?
เข้าใจไหมคะ ก็คือเราต้องตั้งจุดให้ตรงกันใช่ไหมแต่ถ้าตัวหลังไม่มีจุดที่ตัวเลขไม่ตรงหนูต้องเติม0ไป1ตัว อันนี้เข้าใจไหมลูก โอเค
All right. Let's have another example. Let's have another example. Our next example is about 47 plus 0 and 39. All right, this is very easy. Okay, so since there is no decimal number here at the 47, and there is no whole number here on from your second addends. All right, so you're just going to put here 47, and then you're just going to put point here and then 0. Okay, 47 and 0. However, your next addends here is 0 and 39 hundredths. All right, so you're just going to align both decimal here and then proceed to addition. Okay, since there is no number here, becomes 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 7 plus 0 is 7, and then bring down 4. Adding the decimals here, you're just going to put decimal here, and then the answer is 47 and 39 hundredths. Clear? Did you understand? Kojaimai? Is that correct, teacher?
เข้าใจไหมคะ
Kojaimai ka? Okay, so here, so this is just adding. So remember, you're just going to point or plot the decimals aligned to each other. So you're not going to be mistaken if you're going to put the decimals in a proper place and in a proper position of it. Clear? Kajay Mai?
เติมไหมตอบเลยลูก
Okay, so let's have this one. Next. So we already have addition, Shemai. So we are going to talk about subtraction. Okay, we are just going to have subtraction period, a subtraction process. It's deeper. It's the same process wherein it is a different. It is the same steps but different process. Okay, so let's have this one. So we have here 37.32 minus 11 and 20, 21. Make it 21. All right, 21. Okay, so 37 and 32 hundredths minus 11 and 21 hundredths. All right, so this is step-by-step process. We need to align the decimal. So we have here 37, 32, sorry, this minus 11. So your decimals here are aligned, and then 21. Then we can proceed to subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then 7 minus 1 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. So your answer here is 26 and 11 hundredths. Clear? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have another example. We have here 24 and 72 minus 7 and 345,000. All right, 345,000. But no. All right. So we are just going to subtract it. All right. So look at this number. This is 3-digit number decimal, and this is 2-digit number decimal. What are we going to do? So we are going to do same process. So we have here 24 and 72. Minus this is 7 and 345. All right. So why do you think what we are going to do? So we know that when we are subtracting numbers, we are just going to look for another zero. We are going to add zeros, okay? So you're just going to put zeros here and then subtract it. So 0 minus 5, we all know cannot be, right? Cannot be. We cannot deduct 5 from the empty numbers. So what are we going to do? We are going to borrow from 2, it becomes 1, and it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 4 is cannot be. We are going to borrow it from 4. From 7 becomes 6, and it becomes 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 4 cannot be borrowed from 1. 14 minus 7 is 7 and then 1. So that is just a decimal. Okay?
ถ้าเป็นการลบก็ต้องมีการยืมนะคะหลักการเหมือนกันเลยเหมือนกับการบวก อันนี้เข้าใจไหมลูก
Did you understand?
น้ำโมเข้าใจไหม
เข้าใจครับ
Did you understand now? Okay,
Yes.
so we are just going to borrow and add zeros from here. There is no difference on it. We're just going to add 0, and then you are just going to proceed with minus. Okay, Mai? Okay? Thumbs up if okay. All right, so I want you to get your books. I want you to get your books. Nung Su.
มีหนังสือเตรียมหนังสือมาด้วยนะคะ
122.
122 เนาะ
And 128. You're just going to add and subtract numbers or digits there. Clear? 122 and 128.
122แล้วก็128 122เป็นการบวกนะคะแล้วก็128เป็นการลบนักเรียนทำได้เลยนะคะคนที่เข้ามาข้างหลังนะคะเปิดหน้า122นะคะแล้วก็128นะคะ
Finish? Pens up if you are finished. Open your camera, students. Open your cam. Open your camera. I want you to open your camera. Pacharapon. Earn. Pacharapon. And earn. Open your cam now. Open your books. Open your books. Show me your pen if you are finished. Show me your pen if you are finished. Do not use calculator. Open your camera, Finish?
No.
Put it, I want to see your face. I don't want to talk to your ceiling. Thank you. Earn, show your face, Earn. I don't want to talk to your wall.
น่าเห็นหน้าหน่อยลูก เงียบ หน้า122เสร็จยังคะมี122
เสร็จแล้วค่ะ
โอเคแล้ว128
Teacher, out of time. I'm going to cut it. Make it a home.
Yeah, maybe okay, teacher, one just
One more session.
yeah.
Teacher, can I borrow a pencil? Finish? I said open your camera, One more closing of camera, I will call your mom. Show your face. Show your face. Earn. Where are you? Earn. Earn. Namo, are you done? Ukik, are you done? Are you done, Namo?
Yes.
All right. All right, let's answer. 122. Ready? Page 122. Open your books on page 122. You're just going to give me the answer. All right? You are just going to give me the answers. Are you ready? Thumbs up. Thumbs up if you are all ready. Pongpad, thumbs up. Pongpad, thumbs up. Pacharapon, are you done? All right, if you are done, thumbs up. Pudit, are you done? Pudit. Pudit. All right, let's answer letter A. Number 1, letter A. All right, so let's start with Namo. Namo, number 1.
Eighty. Hoi.
And you use the word, if you're going to read the decimal, the term is end. 80 and
80 and 510.
5 tenths.
500.
All right, so 80 and 500s. 500s. All right, that is 80.05. All right, 80.05. Okay, Mai? All right, letter B. Letter B. Let's have Pudit. Pudit.
100.
Pudit, I want
Three.
to see your face.
103 and 50. 300.
All right. 103 and 63 hundredths. That is 103.63. All right. 103.63. All right. All right. I am going to cut this first, and then I'm going to send the other video because we are going to lock the what do you call this one? End. Okay.